got a pink lady slipper right here. State flower, Minnesota, special. That's actually super rare.
Long as I got your love, you know that I'll never leave. When I wanted you to share my life,
Said much, bro. What are you doing? Mike, look back. Give me a smirk. Oh, we're here with Cooking with Patrick. What we got going here?
We got black beans and rice, okay? It's gonna be great. Great combo. We got some onions, we got some salt.
Oh, onions.
I feel like it really brings the dish together. We got a mix of salty, mix of savory, mix of some meat, mix of some veg. It's gonna be great.
Let's go.
Yo, what we doing, gang?
I just wanna say this is my way of telling you everything I could never say before.
Yeah, filming.
Yeah, this is my way of telling you that every day I'm loving you so much more. 'Cause you believed in me through my darkest night. Put something better inside of me. You brought me into the light. Threw away all those crazy dreams. I put them all behind, and it was you, woman, right down the line.
Trail sauna!